You are watching Beyond the News. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, so have you seen this? I mean, Skeng, like the dance hall artist,
Oh, yeah, I've seen it.
the video of him driving a Maserati out of a dealership,
Yeah.
it's everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty crazy.
And we wanted to like deep dive into this a little bit. Obviously we see a cool car,
Yeah.
but like, what is this all about? There's a lot to unpack here.
Totally. Yeah, like we've got this video on social media.
Right.
And yeah, like you said, it's not just about a cool car.
Exactly.
It's about Skeng and his success and what it means for the dance hall scene.
Exactly. So I guess like for those who might not know who Skeng is, can you give us a little bit of background?
Yeah, so Skeng is a dance hall artist. He's from Spanish Town in Jamaica.
Yeah.
And he's sometimes called, part of the Ratty Gang.
Oh, interesting. So like, what does that even mean?
It's like a crew or a group. It's kind of like a thing in dance hall. Adds a bit of mystique to their image.
Right. Okay, that makes sense. So getting back to the car,
Yeah.
we know it's a Maserati, but it's not just any Maserati, right?
No, not at all. It looks like it's a brand new sports car, probably imported, you know, just
Hmm.
for him.
Wow. So like what does that say about Skengring and I guess like where he's at in his career?
Well, I mean, think about it. In Jamaica, like imported luxury cars, that's a big deal.
It is?
Right. It says you've made it.
Yeah.
You're successful.
Yeah. It's a statement.
Yeah, exactly.
So he's not just showing off a nice car. It's deeper than that.
Exactly. It's about status achievement. It's a whole thing.
And there's also that thing with his mom, right? Didn't he buy her a car too?
Oh, yeah. Back in 2022, he got her a car as well.
Which I think adds another layer to this whole story.
Yeah, it really does. It speaks to like his values,
Mhm.
family community.
Yeah. It makes him relatable. Like
It
he's not forgetting where he came from.
For sure. It's a huge part of dance hall culture too, taking care of your own.
So Skeng chose a Maserati. What do you think made him pick that brand specifically?
I think it's smart. Maserati, they have that reputation, performance style.
Yeah, definitely. But there's something else I wanted to touch on.
What's that?
The engine.
Yes.
All Maseratis since 2002, they have Ferrari-built engines.
Right.
So tell me about that connection. How did that even happen?
Well, it's kind of a long story. But basically, Fiat, the Italian company, they own Maserati and Ferrari.
Okay.
And back in the 90s, they decided to put Ferrari in charge of Maserati.
Oh, wow. So that's why they have Ferrari engines.
Exactly. And these engines are special. They have a unique sound, incredible power.
So Skeng is riding around with a piece of Ferrari history under the hood.
He is. It's pretty cool.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so we started with this video of Skeng and his Maserati.
Right?
And now we're talking about Italian car companies,
Yeah.
the history of these brands,
Mhm.
and what it all means in the context of dance hall culture.
It's a fascinating story.
It is. So I guess the question is, what do you think? How do figures like Skeng influence us? What does it say about success?
Yeah, that's a great question to think about. It's something we all kind of grapple with, right? Like, what does it mean to make it? And how do these aspirational figures shape our perceptions?
Definitely. It's food for thought.
It is for sure.
This was awesome. Thanks for breaking all that down with me.
No problem. I'm glad we could do this deep dive.
All right, well, until next time.
See ya. Bye.